Wagwan, what a guan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. A big, massive shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west of the United Kingdom to start their hair growth journey with me, and to all my clients who traveled from other countries. May I talk about the United States of America, New York. Big up yourself. One love. Sitting in my chair right now is one of my very loyal clients from day one, Abdul. Listen, Abdul, big up yourself. One love. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve only 6 braids on short hair like this, going all the way backwards. And this client's hair is a 4C texture hair, but the shrinkage is not bad at all. His level of shrinkage is up to 50%, which is quite good because his hair is quite easy to detangle. Guys, please note that 4C texture represents the tightness of the curls, and it's one of the hardest hair texture to maintain depending on the levels of shrinkage. So each 4C texture here has a different level of shrinkage, and this client's hair is only up to 50% shrinkage, which is quite good. It's important to understand your hair texture so that you know what products to use and also how to manage your hair daily. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on the different types of hair and how to maintain them. For those of you who don't know who I am a short hair braider located in London, United Kingdom, and you can find my contact details in the description box below. On this channel, you'll find videos of different clients with different hair textures, and I'll be posting updates on some of my clients and their hair growth journeys. So please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. So my technique is to always start from the center of the head. So I'll first make a straight line to part the hair into 2 sections, and I'll try to make those sections as equal as possible so everything will look nice and neat upon one level. You see it? So guys, at the end of this video, please comment your thoughts. And even if we don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys comment, whether positive or negative. There's no such thing as bad publicity, because some people are like me who like to read the comments before we watch anything. So please comment and let me know your thoughts, or just let the people know your thoughts on this video. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up.